Hello, my name is Andrew. Today, we're going to explore the font color adjustments feature in Campaign Cleaner. It's well known that bright, flashy colors are often used by spammers to create a sense of urgency. What you may not know is that spam filters consider these strong colors, among other factors, when determining if your content should be classified as spam. Let's dive into your campaign settings. Here, you'll want to ensure that the Adjust Font Colors feature is activated. Great! As you can see, this feature is currently toggled on. Now, let's proceed by clicking Clean Campaign on the left menu. Here, I've preloaded an email from Bank of America for our example. I'm going to expand the working area slightly, and there we go, it's done. Now, focus on the right side of the screen, where the Bank of America email is displayed. Notice the shade of red being used here. I'm highlighting it for emphasis. While this looks like a standard red, it's actually a specific variant. Large companies like Bank of America meticulously choose their branding colors, considering all aspects, including email communication, to avoid colors that might lead to unintended consequences. For this demonstration, let's alter their specific red variant to a standard red, or FF0000, the hexadecimal code for pure red. I'll execute a simple find and replace operation. Visually, the change is unnoticeable to us. However, to a spam detection engine specifically searching for red, it's a significant difference. This is where Campaign Cleaner steps in. We adjust colors like red to safer variants. Watch how Campaign Cleaner adjusts the colors in this email. Simply click on Clean Campaign to start the process. The process is complete. The tool made 4 color adjustments. Let's examine the red again. Notice that it's no longer FF0000, yet visually, it appears unchanged. This subtle adjustment significantly reduces the likelihood of being flagged by spam filters. To recap, Campaign Cleaner automatically fine-tunes your email's color palette. This helps avoid triggering spam filters by altering colors that are commonly associated with spam content.